Hello friends, so this is the product just came today from Amazon. Delivery today, just a few minutes ago. So I've ordered something from Amazon which is cost around 700. So let's unbox the product. So let's cut it. Okay, there is the product. Here is the product. So you can see that the product. Yeah, this is the product. WhatsUp Beauty Daily Health Gummies. This is Gummies. WhatsUp Wellness Biotin product. This is the Biotin product. Okay, and this is the invoice, and there is nothing in there. So this is the product, and we have to is the product genuine or not? We don't know whether the product is genuine or not. So how can you know whether the product is genuine or not? You have to cut it, and then simplest way to wellness. Delicious, vegan, non-habit forming, no side effects. We are serious about having fun. We believe in giving back. Every girl in school, with every purchase you donate to Give India's Every Girl in School mission to provide education to the underprivileged girl children. Be a part of the wellness movement. Okay, so this is the gummy. Yeah, it's look cool. There should be 30 gummies. So this is the gummy. Okay, thank you Amazon. It's a good product according to my knowledge, but I haven't used it till now. Okay, let's use the product and then we conclude whether the product is good or not. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.